Hi there, it's Wade McMaster here from CreatorImpact.com. In today's video, I'm going to announce that we've just released our first digital product on Creator Impact, which is a series of templates for your Facebook cover image for your Facebook page. Now, these are essentially Photoshop templates you can download, edit in 5 or 10 minutes, export and pop onto your Facebook page, have a clean, professional design, and get something that's really outstanding and catches the attention of people when they visit your page. Now, we've had some good response to the free templates we put up in the past, so we thought we'd take it a step further and come up with these more sort of higher end designs, and that way you guys can really take your Facebook page to the next level. The way we've set it up is quite simple. You can actually open up these templates, make a few basic edits, and get something that looks totally unique very quickly. Now, you can either run with the general feel of what we've done by changing out an image and some text, and it will still look fairly unique, or you can take it a step further. We've set things up so it's easy for you to change colors here and there, change fonts. It's very simple and very straightforward if you want to be able to edit these templates but get them looking unique so you don't look like someone else who's downloaded these templates. We've set it up and also in such a way that when you go from one device to another, you're not getting any information cropped off. We've set it up so we've got some guidelines in there so you know exactly where to keep your content. So when you go from phone to desktop, you're not losing any information, and everything is put together in such a way it's just easy to use, it's effective, and it works across devices. So we've basically created 4 packs: Basics pack, the Photo Gallery pack, Specialty pack, and then one pack which encompasses all 3. So you can want to get all these templates in once. You can download it in one pack and get a small discount, and that way you save a bit of money. Now, each pack the Basics pack has a series of layouts and designs that will cover most uses. Pretty standard, clean, professional, will work for most people. The Photo Gallery pack is more visual, things like photo grids. So if you're an artist or photographer, you can pop a whole bunch of images onto your cover image, and also things like effects. So if you want to add some photo effects, we've got some stuff in there. Slot your image in there and you get some effects onto your photo. And then the Specialty pack's got a few other areas, such as these smooth, casual, sort of blobby images, some sort of like artistic painted looking templates, as well as device templates and a few others. And the final pack, the big pack, we've decided just to put everything together because if you want to grab more, it's right there. You can get it and get it nice and cheap. Now, with each pack, you're paying less than $1 per template. So we've tried to make this as high value as possible. And that way you can choose, you can play around between templates and find the one you want to use before making a final decision. And that way you've got some flexibility when you're trying these out. Now, they're pretty easy to use, but we've also created a few handy videos and areas where you can see all the designs. Show you how to make basic changes, how to make more in-depth changes. So that way, if you're not too familiar with Photoshop, you've got some basic tuition on how to custom edit these packs to get the image that you want. Now, these are actually accessible right now before or after you purchase. You don't have to own this pack to access these videos. They're just on the website. We'll pop a link below and you can check that out. And at the same time, you can see every single layout that we have for each pack. So if you're keen on checking these out, you can go onto the website and see exactly what each pack contains and make a choice from there. Another thing we've done is I've tried to make this as open license, so that way if you're a user for personal use, you can use these as many times as you want on as many Facebook pages as you want. That's cool. But also if you're a graphic design agency, we allow you to, if you customize these templates, you can sell them to clients for use. You can't sell the templates straight up as they are, but if you want to sell these designs to businesses who want to pay you to design Facebook page images, you can simply pop the image up, make your customizations in 5 or 10 minutes and sell these off for a price. It's a great way to make money if you are creating a lot of Facebook cover images for clients, and you've got a whole range of options to choose from. So it can be a pretty good asset if you're a graphic designer or run a graphic design business of some sort. Now, I'm excited to finally release these because I've been working on it for quite some time, and if you want to check them out for yourself, just head to the link below and you'll be able to have a look and see all the templates, and hopefully you find something there you like. Okay, thanks for watching the video, and it's great to finally be able to announce this, and thanks for all your support with this channel over the past couple of years and the growth we've had. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. I hope you have a great day, and hope to speak to you again soon. See you later.